KAC visited Deopani College to inspect the site for construction for Arnam Langpi KAC's office on 9 September. APHLC organized awareness on 6th schedule come mass joining program at Langhan Playground on 8 September. While jumbos knocked down 2 shops at Kuligang on 9 September, no loss of life had been reported. Good morning, viewers. You're watching KAL Live English Prime Time. On 9 September, officials from Karbi Anglong Tharmas Council visited Deopani College to inspect the site for construction of Karbi Cultural Society KAC's Arnam Langpi branch office. The inspection team was led by Amar Singh Tiso, EM of Karbi Anglong Tharmas Council, along with Surjo Rongphar, EM, Mukut Mahanta, EM, Sharban Telenga, MEC, DFO, forest officials and many more were present at the time of inspection. Surjo Rongphar, EM of KAAC, while speaking to us, informed that with a vision to upgrade and beautify Deopani College and Arnam Langpi KAC's office, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council purposely visited the site to inspect the actual forest land demarcation and to allocate the land for Deopani College, Arnam Langpi KAC's office and a memorial park.
Lalu la sinil tunga mangke Arnam Langpi KAC samai la pen hala Deopani College so ang part ame chiripho ba ke ako isi park ason pinchoni hanake Samsung Sing statue la pen hala Karbi jembelet hon an part ame hala piloma puji Muniram Langne la pen hala songbe alang tung si pu is Karbi Anglong part ke hula mangso district ke hanghut ke claim ka chipadun Samsung Sing ti pen claim la pera tumalang tumhan ka chikimoye phan asabu part ta semanangi pu ason sing tuma proposal do lalo.
Rongphar also informed that within the next 2 weeks, the Forest Department would take out the initiative to demarcate the actual land boundary of the forest region, and the land excluded from it could be used for the welfare of the people of Deopani in the days to come.
Forest along le non prapdin penantung hirui nike bambung demarcate po laso penangtan ana mangke Koles akan panung pen langsung udah makai air kam klaim mi pro lasi la koles principal ta dolo management meeting untuk langsung masoting pen klaim po.
Subhas Terang's report from Langchathing and Anant Terang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. On 8 September, APHLC organized 6th Schedule Awareness Program cum Mass Joining Program at Langhan Playground adjacent to Dongkamukam town and the Ronghang constituency. The 6th Schedule Awareness Program cum Mass Joining Program was initiated by the APHLC leaders of Ronghang MSC constituency. Right before the event was started, Jai Kathar was given a warm welcome by the people of Ronghang constituency despite the scorching heat by making a binal queue throughout the playground. The program was chaired by Litsong Kramsa, leader of APHLC, Ronghang constituency. Jai Kathar, president of APHLC, leaders of Central Committee, leaders of Regional Committee, leaders of Women Wings, and several important dignitaries from the party attended the program. In this mass joining program, more than 300 families from BJP, INC, ASDC and from different political parties left their party and marched with the APHLC. Now let us hear from the president of APHLC what he has to say regarding the mass joining program.
Bang harok ke thong su se na bang ni na don harok ke thong su se na join ni la pen amonika bini ke tong suri ni ba dan amonik ke tong la hello la pen ni so ke la so si along la pen ta klem mo la pen si ke ni du ke se si ke si apoka success no bang ni po also marathon ni SD police student KAC Bastoy si officer ni Yesef Koisi, auto marathon hunting ni Yesef datang yang long ang Redwan Fredo.
Wiki-based report from Dongkamukam for Karbi Anglong Live. On 9 September, encroachment of wild jumbos in a human-habited region at Kuligaon, falling under Eastern Division Bakajan Forest Range, Borjan had ignited the spark of fear as 2 shops was totally demolished by the wild elephants. Locals resident informed that the incident had taken place at early dawn on 9 September when 4 wild elephants stepped out of the forest region and encroached the village site, destroying 2 shops at the village. This had ignited the spark of fear among the villagers as well as the shop owners, as they are now anxious and helpless at the moment. One of the shop owners who had lost his shop to wild elephants informed that as many as goods worth ₹2 lakhs comprising from both the shops was lost. And there was no loss of life in the incident. Forest Department haven't arrived at the scene to look into this matter at the time of filing this report.
Bangko dukan along bangke langli sukti bang okering no pemasi tobe bangke dukan bangke sang sedela pulo hem sedam rupu amat si la bangso dukan along direct alang la ingna ratung bang pen ladak chobom phangho bom mahu da bang halapu paraya dukan alang ni tumba bangke do boy fit tami la soke thek donong paprang pen mas alang ni tumba bangke cheterek long lo.
Several reports of wild elephants encroaching the human residential sites under Bakajan subdivision had been pouring in since the last few years. This had consequently resulted in displacing their residential house. Many had lost their agricultural land, farms, etc. But till date, no any preventive measures could be seen initiated by the concerned authority, nor any compensation was given to the victims to recover their loss and restart their lives.
Nangan la so habar la kapre habar lang tame phalang nolo stame pini ani same sarkar tumpen la haya hem ki phalang no hormu ki phalang no anam forest tumpen mate department tumpen sarkar tumpen pini ani an tame lahai ke na hok amune tumpen noja ke er mate sikkai site long la kopia polone la bang ke chini ne derlo la sarkar tumto kam ke claim ke derlo ne mate la forest department to kam claim ke derne.
Ananderong's report from Bakajan for KAL English Live. Thank you for watching KAL English Live. Have a great day.